Hi, 250. For those in my class, hi, I'm Mr. Sweet Faces. For those of you in Dr. Reshort's class, I'm Dr. B. I do the 4T section of 250. Dr. Reshard, like most of you, I'm sure, does not have internet service right now. So you'll see that this video and the next few videos, you will get to hear my voice instead of hers because we're teaching the same content. So I hope that's okay. This video is just to tell you guys that Dr. Richard and I are thinking about you, praying for you. We absolutely know what a devastating time this is for you. And coming back to school is going to be different and it's going to be difficult. And we want y'all to know that we are here for you and we are going to get you through this class. We may not know exactly how we're going to get everybody through this class, but we absolutely will get everybody through this class. We wanted to share with you our plans going forward and give you some resources and point you towards some things that we are looking at doing. Okay, so I'm going to send out this link. This is our new schedule for 250. I've named it IDA Fall 21 schedule. What I want to emphasize here, guys, is try not to look much past the first 2 weeks. The first 2 weeks, we have done everything virtual and we have done everything not in real time. I'm still working on one video right here, but these 4 topics, these 4 class periods, I'll have videos up here explaining the lesson to you, going through the content with you. I have the assignments here for you. And notice that everything going forward is going to be due on Sundays at the end of the week. That being said, guys, if y'all are still without power, if y'all are still, struggling, please reach out to myself or Dr. Richard and talk about due dates. We had some people asking if we were going to have a face-to-face option this second week. We hope so, but let's just put a wait and see on that to see what is going on. We don't know. We haven't had an air quality check in the College of Education building yet, so I don't want to say anything about potential live classes or face-to-face classes until we get that air quality check and make sure the building is safe for you guys to come back to. So you'll see that we basically just stopped where IDA stopped and we redid the schedule going forward. Again, try to just concentrate on the first 2 weeks. But if you want an outline of where we're going, this is what we've drafted. Dr. Richard and I are calling this a living document because it changes every day and it is going to keep changing until we get through this disaster. But this is what we're planning. For the next 2 weeks, again, it's 4 distinct lessons. There are videos for each day. This last video will be up by tomorrow, I promise. Today is Wednesday, I believe, so I promise to have that up by Thursday. The 16th of September, so that if you guys are without internet and you would like to go borrow a friend's internet, you can potentially do all 4 of these classes in one sitting. Again, the first 2 weeks, we will not have anything live, and you can do this whenever you're able to with whatever situation you're in. You'll see that at the top of this, we have all new due dates. Other big changes, field experiences. We don't know what in the world they're going to look like. We do know that they're all going to be virtual if they're done, but you'll see that field experience 4, 7, 8, and 9, we just really don't know yet. So we're kind of putting that to be determined and putting the due dates at the very end of the semester. Another thing to notice is we both had a lot of group work for both homework and field experiences. That's going to be up to you guys entirely, guys. If y'all want to still work in your groups, I think that's great. But if you're not able to work in groups and you want to do the assignments on your own, that is absolutely your choice. Lastly, guys, I wanted to point out Moodle. So of course our Moodle page is going to be completely different. Right now, both Dr. Richard and my sections, you're seeing the old Moodle course. We are working on a new, I called it IDA Master Template Ed 250 course. What's going to happen here, Dr. Richard and I think, because things are moving so quickly, is we're simply going to post turn-in stuff on Moodle. Everything else we're going to be doing from this document. So all of the instructions, all of the videos, everything we're going to be really relying on this Google document. The reason why we're doing that and not through Moodle is because I could make a change on this document right now, and when you click on the link for the document, it is automatically changed. So I don't have to worry about what version of the document you're using. And with Moodle, that can sometimes be a delay. And with how quickly things change, we just think going from the Google document, but of course still turning in everything through Moodle is what is going to be best for us. Other questions I've gotten, High Five, we absolutely don't have any idea what's going on with High Five right now. And then I had a couple of students email me about the canceled fall break and the Tuesday before Thanksgiving, that you already had plans and you wouldn't be able to attend a live class. Well, don't worry. Dr. Richard and I planned those 2 days right here on October 19th, and then down here the Tuesday before Thanksgiving. Absolutely, we're going to have instruction and we're going to have content because those are mandatory makeup days, but nothing will be face-to-face and nothing will be live. So it will be, again, videos to watch and something to do so that you don't need to change any of your plans if you had some fun stuff to do then. As always, guys, we know everybody's in a horrible situation, and we know that none of your situations are the same. So I really want to emphasize, yeah, we have due dates up here for, in a week and a half. If that's absolutely not possible, please just let us know and we will work with you. But if you can, let's try to start getting back to learning, and we're excited to see your faces, hopefully sooner rather than later. But for the first 2 weeks, know that the assignments and the courses are all up there for you to get started on. The official start date is Monday, but whenever you are ready to. Don't expect Moodle to be converted and back to where you can submit stuff until Monday. So make sure you're not submitting things on the old Moodle page if you're eager to get started. Just hold off on turning anything in on Moodle page until the official start back to classes, which is Monday. All my thoughts and prayers are with you guys, and let us know what we can do to help.